Renovations can be a stressful event for homeowners. You will have to plan and prepare for the changes you want to make, buy supplies from the hardware store, and invite contractors back to your personal space to complete the job. Out of all those challenges, dust can be the biggest one out of your home renovation project. In fact, the number one complaint by homeowners during renovation is dust. Dust can coat everything, from the insides of your kitchen cupboard on all your cups and inside your wardrobe on all your clothes. If you're like me, you might not have the means or the luxury to move out during a home renovation, so you will have to live through it in a dusty house, and that's no fun at all. Our goal in this Dustbuster video series is to give you top tips, hints and tricks so that you can contain and control the dust in your home during a home renovation. We will show you step by step using simple techniques on how you can keep your home dust free so you don't spend hours cleaning up after your contractors have left. Our objective is to ensure your home remains dust free and you remain worry free. If you like what you see, click like and subscribe to our channel. And remember to visit dustguard.co.za for more tips and tricks on how you can contain dust in your next home renovation project.